if you're not. So today I'm just about to get straight to the point because I have to study for a test that's coming up very quickly. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yeah, that's really it. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so as I stated in my last video about my phone, I went from a 7 Plus to an 11 Pro Max. It was a good upgrade. I do love this phone a lot. So yeah, so I'm really just going to start with what's literally on my phone. So the case on my phone is a Tech 21 Evo check case. I had that case for my 7 Plus. I had 2 of them and I really liked them. They're really protective. And it comes with like mix match buttons, so like I could take the volume buttons and the home button off and switch the colors. It comes with like light pink and a dark purple. You can't even see the light pink, but let me try this. Yeah, it comes with like a light pink and a dark purple color, so that's fun. So yeah, let's just get into what's on my iPhone. Okay, so literally the lock screen and my home screen is just a regular wallpaper that comes with Apple. And yeah, so when you get into my phone, like I said, it's just the regular wallpaper. That one of the wallpapers is like my favorite wallpaper. I don't know why, it's just I like it. But yeah, so I like to keep all the apps that like came with the phone on the front page. I don't touch those at all. I just keep them the way they came, and I just delete some apps that I don't need. But yeah, so anyways, the first app I have is calendar. Then I have photos, camera, maps, clock, weather. Let me tell you about the weather and the place that I'm at right now. It told me it was supposed to snow yesterday, but did it snow? No. It snowed a little bit today, but a little bit. I need classes to be canceled, so a little bit is not going to do it for me. But anyways, then I have news, notes, app store, iTunes store, health, wallet, settings, and then I have an extras folder. In my extras folder, I just have the apps that like came with the phone that I'll probably use one day, but just not at the moment. So in this folder, I have voice memos, compass, measure. I never even used this app before, so okay. Then I have calculator, watch, shortcuts, GarageBand, find my iPhone. I want to delete that so bad, but I don't think I can. Then I have files and music because I don't have Apple Music, so I keep it in the extras folder. Then on the next page, I have FaceTime, then Twitter. Twitter is my favorite app, my favorite social media app. So yeah, so I have Twitter, Facebook. I don't use Facebook at all. I use Facebook to keep up with my family. I don't even know how to use Facebook. I don't even know how to work Facebook, so okay. So I have Facebook Messenger that goes with Facebook. Then I have YouTube. We all know what YouTube is. Subscribe to my channel. Well, then I have Eve, which is a period tracker. Pinterest. I get all my good little stuff off of Pinterest. Sometimes I get like lock screens, wallpaper. I get nail inspo off of Pinterest, hair inspo off of Pinterest, all that good stuff. So then I have this dumb app, Canvas. I hate this app. Like, I get anxiety checking this app. Like, all of my grades are on this one app. Like, I hate this app so much. Everything dealing with school is on this app, and I hate it. Like, I just want to delete it, but I can't. So then I have Snapchat. I don't even use Snapchat. I barely use Snapchat. I probably use Snapchat like twice a month. It is what it is. So then I have episode, and episode is just that game where you like, it's like a little story game, you know, build your character and then you go through all the stories, you know, animated. So then I have the Pattern and Co-Star, and both of these are like horoscope apps that I don't even use, barely. Sometimes they're true, other times I don't know. I don't even use them that much, but okay. So the next folder that I have is photo and video. That's where I keep all my photo and video stuff. So I have YouTube Studio, then I have Fonto, which I use to make my thumbnails. I have VLLO, which is called Vimo, I think. Or they probably changed it to VLLO. I think VLLO and Vimo are the same thing. But this is what I use to edit my videos. I don't use iMovie, I use this app to edit my videos. I like this way more than iMovie. It's kind of the same, but on VLLO you can do a lot more. So now I have Facetune too to do my thumbnails, like to brush up some things, whatever. I have Clips. I don't even know how to use this, but I like what you could do on there, so I just kept it. Then I have PixArt, which I use to like blur the background on thumbnails and draw the little white line around. Then I have iMovie. If you have an iPhone, you should know what iMovie is. And I have Over. I use that to like, if I'm gonna, Over is like a collage app kinda. So on my thumbnails, if I want to put two pictures side by side, then I use Over. Then I have Triller. I haven't used Triller since 10th grade, but I used it for the first time like on Sunday. I made a video. It was fun. Yeah. So then on the next page, I have this app called Taylor. I don't even know what this is. I was on the App Store and I was scrolling and I found this app. And basically, I think you take pictures like, you take screenshots of like things. For me, it was messages. So, you know, you take screenshots of messages and then they'll just combine the screenshots into one long picture so that you don't have to like swipe. So yeah. In the next photo, I have school. This is really sad that I have 54,000 emails, but okay. So I have Google Docs, then I have Google Translate, Google Drive, Google Slides. Yes, Google for everything. Then I have Dictionary. Then I have Outlook. I use Outlook for my email address for school. So all of my school emails come to Outlook instead of Gmail. Then I have Gmail. That's really sad. Then I have Quizlet for like flashcards and stuff for classes, whatever. Then I have HP Smart, which connects to my printer, so I could print stuff off of my phone instead of my laptop or whatever. Then I have this folder I just named the $. And in this app, in this folder, I have Cash App, Amazon, Capital One, which is my bank, Zara, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, and Misguided. Zara and Pretty Little Thing is my favorite stores. So yeah. So in the next folder, I have entertainment, and I have Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. Oh, Disney Plus, get it. I have SoundCloud, Music Player, because they took music off the App Store, and I really don't know why. So I had to find another app to play my music. So I have Music Player. Then I have games in this folder because like I didn't put that in the folder. I would have to make a games folder, and I hate like if it's like this where there's not a full row. So I just put it in the entertainment folder so that the row could be full, if that makes any sense. So I have Crowd City, and I have this game called Play Dead's Inside. This game is really crazy. Like I have this on my iPad, and like this game is crazy. Like I don't even know what it is. It's like apocalyptic world or something. Like you have to run from all these people and these dogs and stuff, and you have to make sure you don't die. Wait, I'm just gonna play this right quick. It's a good game. Didn't even get to the good. I'm trying to let y'all see the good part, but it didn't even get to the good part. Like if this man gets caught, like his life is over. Like he's gonna die. The only thing is I'm playing the free one. The one that you pay for is longer. So Okay, I'm just leave. Oh, I didn't even mean to jump. Okay, so y'all see what happened. He got caught, and yeah. So that was it for that folder. So on the bottom bar, I have phone, Safari, messages, and Instagram. And you guys follow me on Instagram, Honeybee Bree. I don't even get on Instagram that much either, unless it's to like post my thumbnails so people could watch my videos. But yeah, so follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that's really it for what's on my iPhone. I don't have that many apps because I just got the phone, but I'll probably do an updated one once I actually download some apps, because knowing me, I'm going to download 1,000,001 more apps. So yeah, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.